How to send a multimedia message from your email. When your email address is registered to a Telestalk account, you can easily send MMS within Sweden as well as some other countries. Enter the recipient's phone number and add @emms.nu. You can also send to multiple recipients. Type your text message and attach a file of maximum 300 kilobytes. If the limit is too small, you can use Link SMS with global coverage. For more information, check our other videos on the topic. If you have many recipients, it may be easier to use our broadcast function. Address the mail to broadcast@emms.nu and type your text message. Enter the code distribution list and add phone numbers below it. It is easier to follow up on a message if you add your recipient's name next to the phone number after adding a semicolon.